I am super excited to be trying out the new Glamnetic press-on nails. I'm really looking forward to trying them out and seeing how they work. So I will be applying the Nebula color, which is this pinkish purple glittery beautifulness. It's really pretty. I like it. The problem with my nails is my nails don't break, they peel off. My nails just bend, which means I have a really hard time with any sort of nail polish staying on my nails. So it's kind of nice that they're numbered like that. They've got glue, we've got a wood stick for your cuticle. There's a little mini nail file in there too. So let's try it. Just kind of testing it out. It looks like it fits pretty well on my pinky. I'm gonna try this one and see how it goes. All right, so there it is on. Seems pretty secure. I mean, it's nail glue, it's not gonna go anywhere, right? They are slightly opaque, so you can kind of see through, but I like the way they look. It's very pretty. I'm probably gonna end up stabbing myself. All right, so nail glue on my natural nail. Nail glue on the fake nail. It moved a little bit on me while I was trying to put it on. It's not all the way down at my cuticle line. See how there's a bit of a gap there? That's my fault though. There, I have 4 of them on. Most of these in here are way too small for my fingers. Do you guys have super tiny fingers? I do have big fingernails, but they're not abnormally big. Here's the biggest one, which will fit my thumbnail. I'm gonna try and file this down a little bit to see if this will fit my first finger a little bit better. Nail glue on my nail, nail glue on the fake nail. Press and hold. I feel like I'm getting nail glue all over my fingers. Oh no. So the nail just cracked right in there, like right at the base of the nail. I wonder if I should drop a little nail glue just right on that spot to keep it from cracking anymore. Let's try it. Okay. One hand complete. I like have super glue dried all over the tips of my fingers. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night peeling it off. I have a ton of nails left. So I have a bunch, 14, so there's like 14 extras. How about we do a nail exchange? Who's got smaller nails and you want the small ones and send me your bigger ones? They are on. Putting them on. It's fairly easy, not super difficult, even I can do it. Now my question is going to be, how long are they going to last? They do have a little bend in them for sure. They'll be good for scratching. My husband will like them. Quick update from me and my little helper here. I have trimmed them down, just using regular pair of fingernail clippers, and then filed them a bit to even them out, and I absolutely am totally in love with them. Like, this is so much better, right? It's not gonna poke you or hurt you. Let's give it a couple days and see how they last. So final thoughts on the new Glamnetic nails. I think they're great. I had them on for 6 days. They didn't chip, they didn't break. The downfall with them is that you're using nail glue, and nail glue is always going to do some bit of damage. Removing the nails was actually fairly easy. I followed what the directions said. I let them soak in acetone nail polish remover for 10 minutes. Did it while I was watching Bill and Ted Face the Music, which is most excellent. They came off pretty easily. I used the little included wooden stick, was able to get underneath each of the nails and just kind of peel them off. So that part was actually really easy. It didn't have any problems there. Overall, I think they're a great product. They held up well. They look really nice. Give them a shot. You might really love them. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you click the button and subscribe. Do it. It's right there, isn't it? Do it. See you next time.